Hey, welcome back to my creative art journey. If you've ever looked at a complex flower like an azalea and thought, there's no way I can map out those curves, take a deep breath. Today, we're keeping it simple. This drawing tutorial is easy. It's step by step, and you're going to learn how to sketch an azalea flower starting with incredibly simple shapes first. If you're new here, everything that I do is beginner friendly, and it's meant to build your confidence and help you unwind. So grab your pencils, clear your desk, and let's start with the basics. You can use whatever you like, but I usually start with an HB pencil. Keep everything light, don't try to add too many details first, and lightly sketch a circle for a main bloom, an oval next to it for a side profile, and a loose triangle for leaves or a half-open bud. Then map out a few curved lines to map out where your stem is going to be. Now that our simple shapes are placed on the paper, now let's make a small circle in the middle to serve as our center guide. From that small center, we can start radiating guidelines outward to mark where each petal will extend. Not perfectly, remember, they're just placeholders. Now that the bones are out of the way, let's get to the petal shapes and make them more defined. I'll do a quick close-up and you can see that the azalea has these beautiful waves and folds. You can take the time to create those folds or keep it simple like I'm doing. With the main petals established, now you can bring the flower to life by adding the little details. Azaleas are known for their gorgeous, long stamens and pistils, and they curve out from the center. Along with that, we're going to map out some buds that are going to run along the stem. At this stage, it's time to gently erase our mistakes. Those original shapes were just the map that got us here. Cleaning up the page gives us a crisp canvas for the final, satisfying step. Now it's time for the magic, and let's speed this up. Here's where I'm adding depth, texture, and dimension. I decided that I want to use a mixture of my 2B and a darker 4B pencil to add some shadows right where the petals overlap or at the very core of the flower cup. Shading is just a game of patience. Take your time and watch your flower lift off the paper. As the shading session comes to a close, here we have the completed azalea, built entirely from a simple circle, oval, and triangle. I hope this tutorial showed you that complex art becomes entirely approachable when you break it down into basic steps. If you love learning this technique and want to keep expanding your skills or just want to have fun, make sure to hit the subscribe button to join my little art community. Also, look at my Ko-fi store. You'll find a lot of digital downloads there for you to be creative. So thanks for watching. All right, let me go and get back to the drawing board.